This is how to transfer an RRSP account from Tangerine Bank over to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up the Wealthsimple app, go to the bottom and select the arrows pointing in opposite directions, press that icon. Then where it says, scroll down a little bit towards his accounts, select transfer account to Wealthsimple, and then select get started. Once you're here under most popular, if you were to scroll down, you should find Tangerine Bank. Once you see it, select it. Now you can sign in to the Tangerine Bank app for a faster experience, or if you don't want to do that, you can go to the bottom and enter the information manually, which is what I will be doing in this demonstration. And because we want to transfer over an RRSP account, make sure that the RRSP is selected and then select Next. Once you're here, you can add the required information, and once that is done, you should be able to transfer the RRSP over. So that is how to transfer an RRSP account from Tangerine Bank over to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.